What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video we are going to be covering something that many of you have been asking me to do for a while. And so we're going to be addressing two main issues with affiliate marketing that we've been talking a lot about. In all of the videos there's a couple of issues that a lot of you have been having questions with and having issues with. And one is a major issue that we're going to be solving in this video. And another one is kind of a minor issue, but also an annoying issue, okay? And so this is going to be a very, very special presentation. You're going to learn a ton. I'm 100% certain you're going to learn something, at least something new in this video. And so definitely you want to watch the whole presentation until the end for some special tips and tricks, all right? Before we get into the presentation, I just want to let you know that if you like affiliate marketing, if you like CPA marketing, if you like making money online, all kinds of methods, make sure you hit subscribe button on this channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. This is a channel where we have daily videos on CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, making money online, and everything in between. And every single day you're going to learn something new having to do with each one of these areas. All right, having said that, let's get inside the presentation. All right, so here I am with my Max Bounty campaign screen, and we're not going to be doing Max Bounty today. We're going to be doing something else, something very, very interesting. And so one of the main issues with Max Bounty, and this affects ClickBank as well, is that it's very hard to direct link if you're buying ads. And let me explain to you why that is. So if I pick an offer, let's say I pick approve to run, and I basically pick any offer I want, doesn't really matter. So let's say the sweepstakes offer, the first offer that I see, and I build a tracking link. And let's say I do contextual, I do raw link, I pick this landing page, and here's my link, right? Now this link, it lets people know that I'm an affiliate, okay? Because let's say I own this site. This was my own site that I built the site myself. I'm not gonna be sending traffic through this link. I'm going to send traffic directly on the site using another link. But regardless of how you want to look at it, this link is like, it gives it away. So this is why, I think, one of the biggest disadvantages with affiliate marketing. There's a lot of advantages, don't get me wrong, but one of the biggest disadvantages, and if you know of another disadvantage, something else that's bothering you, make sure you leave a comment below. But for me, as far as I'm concerned, one of the biggest disadvantages with affiliate marketing is that the link you have to promote, and we are affiliates, right? We cannot really promote it how an owner would promote. We have to use a link, and this link is a dead giveaway that we're an affiliate, we're not an owner of the site. And that is why Facebook will have a problem, Google is going to have a problem, even Bing is starting to have problems with this kind of links. And regardless how you want to do it, it's going to be very, very hard to promote a link like this. And same thing with ClickBank, right? Here I am in ClickBank. Let's say I want to promote with profits. I click promote. I basically generate a hop link and I see a link. And this is a link. This is a dead giveaway, clickbank.net, that I am one of thousands and thousands of affiliates that's looking to make money using this offer. And that is why with paid traffic sources, it's very, very different to kind of get in there. That's why we're using landing pages. That's why we're building sites. That's why we have to do all these things. We have to jump through so many hoops in order to promote a lot of these products. And that's fine. I mean, we find ways of doing it. There's a lot of ways of doing it. I have lots of videos that you can do. But really, one of the easiest ways to kind of promote affiliate marketing is kind of doing it without this link. And one of the ways of doing it is basically going directly to the offer, basically working directly with the merchant, skipping an affiliate network altogether. So if you're browsing Max Bounty offers, let's say you click search and you're basically browsing stuff, you're going to see offers. So for instance, this is a start a career today, and they're basically, they went on Max Bounty. They're trying to get affiliates through Max Bounty. But you can also potentially go to startacareertoday.com or whatever their site is and basically see if they have their own affiliate program. This is what I do. A lot of my affiliate marketing is done is done by working directly with the merchant. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it and how to promote a really great offer without appearing as though you're an affiliate. And basically by making it seem that you're working directly with the merchant instead of being an affiliate for the merchant. And the offer we're going to be talking about today is a really high quality offer. This is an offer that I talked before in some of the previous videos a long time ago. They actually had a Max Bounty offer some time ago, and this is an offer I recommended. Now, I'm not affiliated with this offer at all. I'm just, I just like this offer. And it's Envato, right? And Envato is a site. They basically have a lot of other sites, but really what they are doing is this is everything you need to get creative projects done. And they have graphical assets, they have digital assets, resources, services, they have WordPress themes, they have a market for WordPress themes. This is actually one of their sites, Envato Market. And if you ever done any kind of programming, design, WordPress stuff, I'm 100% sure you've come across this site before, because it has like all, you could get tools, you could get apps, you can get, e-commerce, WordPress add-ons, PHP scripts, JavaScript, CSS mobile. It's a huge site. Another one of their sites is themeforest.net. This is also one of their sites, and you can get basically themes here, WordPress themes, e-commerce themes, site templates, CMS templates, blogging, marketing templates. You can get a lot of great stuff. And as luck would have it, this particular site, this particular place, this business actually has an affiliate program that you can work directly with them. And it's a really great affiliate program for two main reasons that I'm going to show you in a second. So if you scroll all the way down, and this is kind of what you want to do, you're going to scroll all the way down and you have become an affiliate. You can also go to codecanyon.net, scroll all the way down and have become an affiliate. And it's a very simple process. It takes a couple of minutes to fill out an application, and you're going to be inside the affiliate program. And once you're inside, you're going to be basically on the screen, right? So here I am on the screen. I can basically click on request new ad, and here I see all the places, basically all kind of areas that I can promote, right? These are the kind of ads that I can set up. And this is amazing for two main reasons. The first reason is that, let's say I want to promote something like, let's scroll down, let's see, one second, best WordPress themes of 2019, let's say, as an example, right? I can basically get code for this, and I can basically promote it. So if I click on get code, I can basically see this tracking link. This is a direct link with Envato. This is not a link. This is not a ClickBank link. This is not a Max Bounty link. This is not some other third-party link. This is Envato Market's link. Okay, and there's a couple of really important things that I want you to pay attention to this. I can also click on customize code, and I can send traffic to the default landing page, themeforest.net category WordPress. I am not, this is where the traffic is going to automatically redirect to. So I don't have that crazy, that Max Bounty link, whatever that was, that link. So I don't really need to send traffic to the scripting link that everybody knows that I'm actually an affiliate for the sweepstakes instead of being an owner, right? And that is a huge advantage, okay, by sending them directly. Another thing that I can do is I can basically send traffic from the site to a specific landing page. So I can basically go to Envato. And so, for instance, this is sending it to themeforest.net category WordPress. But let's say I'm browsing around themeforest.net, and I found another landing page. So let's say I'm browsing and I found, this page. I want to send traffic to this theme. I can do that. I can basically copy this link right here, and I can paste it in here, right? And that's gonna create a much better experience because there's predictability factor. I know exactly where my traffic is going, whereas with a lot of these affiliate offers, it's very cryptic. You never know where the traffic is gonna go. And I can serve this ad securely, HTTPS. I can add sub-ID parameters, that's an advanced topic. And I can basically generate custom code, and I can use that. So we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna use this code that basically Envato Elements is giving us directly. And this is a really nice tracking link because you don't really know, are we an affiliate or are we part of Envato? Are we their own part? We can be part of Envato, right? There's nothing that's basically telling anybody that we're being an affiliate. There's nothing having to do with affiliate. This is not a ClickBank link. This is not a Max Bounty link. Nothing like that. This is a straight Envato Market link. And so we can direct link to this link. We can basically send traffic directly here without using a landing page, without creating a site, without creating a landing page. And this is why this method is extremely powerful. The second reason, that was the first reason. Remember, I told you there are two main reasons. The major reason is that we're not appeared as though we are basically working as an affiliate. The second reason is that we have commercial based keywords here. So it says here, best WordPress themes 2019. We can just call it 2020 since we're in 2020 now. And we can send traffic. We can buy keywords for these. We can buy traffic for these keywords, these very, very commercially based keywords, and send traffic directly. This is something you cannot do with Max Bounty and ClickBank. Okay, with ClickBank and Max Bounty, you need to do something else. And explaining what that method is going to take another video, right? You can still do it, but it's not as direct. Here, we can just do it directly. We don't need to create a site. We don't need to create a landing page. We don't need to create a review page. We can basically get code for this content directly, right? This is why this method is so powerful. So here we have this. And this is the landing page. We can basically customize the code. We're going to see the landing page. And here's the link. And it's all done for us. It's almost like we're basically not an affiliate, but we're basically sending traffic to our own site. And this is why this is very, very powerful. And so I'm going to go into Google Ads and I'm going to show you how to build a campaign very, very quickly for this. And I'm going to show you why it's a very effective method. And when you do it, it's going to look very legit, very realistic. There's no games or anything like that. This method is really good. And then towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you some important tips and tricks that if you like this method, I'm going to be making more videos about this kind of direct to merchant method, right? We're not using an affiliate network. We're coming directly to the merchant. So I'm going to share with you some advanced tips and tricks for this method. And so I'm going to go into Google Ads and we're going to create a campaign very, very quickly. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're going to click on new campaign. We're going to click on new campaign. We're going to do create a campaign without goals guidance. We're going to do a search campaign. We're going to do website visits. We're going to click on continue. And I'm going to quickly create a brand new search campaign using this method. And this really works nicely with this. So I'm just going to call it Envato 1. We're going to deselect Google Display Network because we don't need it. We're going to start with the United States. We're going to have English there. Our budget per day, we're going to do, I don't know, let's say $10. We're going to enter $10. We're going to focus on clicks just to keep it simple. We're gonna save and continue. And now we're gonna set up our ad groups. And basically an ad group is a collection of keywords that we want to target. We're gonna have one ad group and one ad in this campaign. I'm just gonna call it ad G1, which stands for ad group 1. And this is the fun part, right? Since we are sending it to, we're basically working with best WordPress themes 2019 or 2020, that is the keywords we need to really be bidding for. And because we have really good keywords to work with and we're sending them to that landing page, which is actually about best WordPress themes in that particular year, it creates a very high quality score in our ad. So we are basically buying traffic for a very specific user intent, and we are sending them to a web page that has a very high, very specific user intent that's aligned with what they're looking for. So this is a really, really nice method. So I'm gonna go in here, we're gonna copy this, we're gonna paste this here, we're gonna put 2020. I'm also gonna put 2019 for a good measure. We're gonna put WordPress themes 2020. Buy WordPress themes, buy best WordPress themes. I'm gonna go into Google. I'm gonna see what Google is gonna suggest for this specific terms. Let's see what Google is thinking. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically enter this keyword and we're gonna say business portfolio blog premium. So I really like that, business portfolio blog premium. We're gonna go back, we're gonna copy and so you can keep going, but I have a good amount. I have 8 keywords, and that's for me is good enough. We're gonna keep this, we're gonna scroll down, we're gonna click on save and continue. And in this section, we're gonna create one ad, but I recommend creating at least 2 to 3 ads for good measure, but we're gonna create just one ad. And so the final URL is gonna be the link, and the link is actually very simple. The final URL is gonna be this URL, which is exactly what we want. We're gonna have this as the final URL. We're gonna put this here. That is the final URL. And then we also have, and then we're gonna be basically set up the ad. A new headline is gonna be something like the best. It's gonna be something similar. The best. Let's go back to Envato affiliates. We're gonna basically copy this. The best WordPress themes in 2020. We can have a new headline, right? So this is actually you can have a new headline here. And so here's what I have. Only the best WordPress themes 2020. I'm gonna capitalize. Quality themes at a discount. Trusted by. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna scroll down. We have a description. The description is gonna appear just below, and you can basically elaborate on the headline a little bit. So you can write something like, okay. And for the tracking URL, right? You wanna include your link. This is where you're gonna put the link, the tracking link. Okay, so you're gonna have this. You're gonna put that here. Okay, you're gonna put the link here. And so when they click on this link, they're going to be redirected to the final URL that we already set up in our campaign manager. And so that is how you set up Google Ads in this specific example. Remember, one of the biggest advantages using this method is that we're not using an affiliate network. We're working directly with the merchant. We're still an affiliate, but we have a direct link. We're not using ClickBank. .net, or we're not using some cryptic max bounty link. We're working directly with the merchant. And so this is a really great method. The second really good reason is that you can basically show Google and the visitors exactly what they came to look for. So if they want to see the best themes of 2020, we're going to send them to a category of WordPress themes directly to the link, and we're going to get a commission if they purchase something here, depending on the commission structure for that particular offer. All right, guys, so this is why this method is very, very powerful. And so if you want me to make future videos where we are working directly with the merchant, we're not going through an affiliate network, leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see more videos such as this one, where we're working directly without going through an affiliate network such as Max Bounty or ClickBank. Or if you want to see more ClickBank and Max Bounty videos, I'm going to be making those as well. All right, guys, so let me know below in the comments if you enjoy this kind of video, if this is a method you're going to be using. If not, let me know in the comments why not, so that we can all learn from each other and kind of help each other, and we can all make more money. All right, guys, so this is all I want to cover in this video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about it. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you tomorrow with a brand new method.